These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn and Suites at the Sarasota Bradenton Airport, Sarasota, Florida. We're gonna go for back down the one. Here's your cab view. These are pretty nice. I originally filmed these back in December of 2016. Expiration August 2025. Wonder what that's about with the parking. We're gonna ride the other one. I'll cut the one we get. Guess I didn't have to cut. It's right here. I know I pressed the button too soon because had this elevator not been here, I would have gotten the one on the left again. Interesting how the brails are different on the two elevators. We're gonna go to one. It's also strange how there's nothing written right here. Usually there's an elevator number and the capacity. I know the capacity is 2,500 pounds. It says so on the certificate, but it doesn't give an elevator number. So in the case you get stuck, the only information you have is whether it's the one on the left or the right. Can't really see much up the shaft. There it goes. And that's it.